The E3610 error code on a Bosch washing machine indicates a problem with the drainage system. Specifically that the drainage is not working effectively, which may be due to a blockage or faulty component, preventing wastewater from draining out properly. This error code can be caused by several factors, including a blocked drain hose, which can occur if the hose is not frequently maintained, preventing water from draining effectively. Another cause is a clogged sump filter, which collects lint and foreign objects, and if not cleaned regularly, can become clogged and cause drainage issues. A damaged drain pump, responsible for removing water from the machine, may also be the culprit, having malfunctioned or been damaged. To fix the error, the drain hose should be cleaned by first turning off the washer and locating the hose at the back, then removing it and ensuring it is not twisted. A thin metal wire can be used to remove any debris clogging the hose, and it should be regularly cleaned to prevent blockages, or run through with water to remove any debris. The sump filter, located at the bottom of the washer, should also be cleaned by removing it, clearing out any debris or lint, rinsing it, and replacing it, then cleaning it regularly to prevent clogging. If the drain pump is damaged, it may need to be replaced, which involves turning off the washer, disconnecting any electrical connections, and installing a new pump compatible with the model, or seeking the help of a professional if unsure.